MULTIFILM Zonen und Blendschutz GmbH, based in Limbach-Oberfrohna in Saxony, has been your sun protection expert since 1993. The company's individual sun and glare protection systems are made from transparent reflective film, originally engineered for space expeditions, which is now used as a curtain material in all MULTIFILM products. MULTIFILM's aluminium-coated sun protection film applied to facade systems acts like a mirror, preventing up to 88% of solar energy from penetrating the interior space. This ensures effective protection against heat and glare during daily activities. The transparent film causes no reduction in natural daylight, and in winter significantly reduces heating costs through improved thermal insulation. MULTIFILM sun and glare protection systems thus ensure stable room temperature, contributing to a healthy working environment. All MULTIFILM products are manufactured exclusively to customer requirements. The ultrasonic welding technique it employs can also be used to produce films for large format facade systems. Its surface embossing system is unique, and all films are cut to the specified dimensions using a laser. Ergonomics, functionality, comfort and design are optimally combined in the MULTIFILM portfolio, and the use of patented technology testifies to its track record of innovation. MULTIFILM angles towards architectural trends in its product design, and through its involvement in numerous construction projects both at home and abroad, is well known as a strong and professional supplier. MULTIFILM relies on high-quality workmanship from Germany, and its quality management system ensures consistently reliable and durable products. MULTIFILM, your trusted partner in sun and glare protection.